What's up, everybody? Lou Vega Superhome, yoursuperhome.com, and today we're going to come to you with another video specifically around controlling your smart home from your mobile device. So as a demo today, we'll be showing you the iPad. This works similarly from the iPhone, and I'm excited to show you guys what we have. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So we are here with the Vector Security Smart Home Demo House. This is being shown on the iPad because the screen real estate is a little bit larger. I wanted to be able to give you something easy to see here instead of just using it on the iPhone. However, it is the same on the iPhone and Android, so you'll get the same experience. We're just doing this for visualization purposes. All right, so here on the left, you'll see your main menu bar where you can get all of your options. All of the main options for the app are available here. And then on this home page here, you can actually customize what you see and how it looks. In this example, we have scenes, our security system, status, locks, garage doors, and then we have some videos here. I'll tap on these preloaded demo videos here so you can kind of see them. This is what a doorbell would look like if you were leaving for work in the morning, for example. Moving down here, we have your videos, different preloaded videos that the app has given us here for demonstration. All right, we can tap on this here, record a clip. As it's streaming, you can actually record a clip, which is pretty cool. All right, and then you can obviously full screen if you wanted to. Come back, switch cameras, very cool. The UI is very nice. I really do enjoy how they've laid everything out. It's very clean, easy to read, and intuitive. Next up, we have our lights and our thermostats and some account information, weather, etc. So this is just your main home dashboard, if you will, on mobile. All right, so let's jump into scenes. Our scenes are very cool. So scenes are a collection of automations. Let's dive into home here. So in our home scene, you can see that we have, when you arrive home, you can tap on that scene and it will disarm the panel, unlock the door, and turn on lights. And from there, you can manage like what lights get turned on. You can check them on and off. So for example, we want the back door light to just come on and make sure it's on the on status, hit done, save, boom. Now turn back door light on. So you can see that's what happens when you enter from home. Again, you can create new scenes. We can call this test. What kind of devices do we want to control? All right, so we want our panel to, we'll go our panel here, and we want to put the panel on away, for example. All right, let's do silent arming, and we'll hit add. We also want our garage doors to close, tap close. And what else do we want to happen for this scene? We want all of our doors to lock, both, bam, cool, lock, lock, done. As you can see, it's super fast to add this, guys. You can do this really easily. And we'll hit save and let it do its thing. All right, so here we have our test scene. If you notice, this is what it does, and we can run that scene. So I'll go over to our, let's go over to our home. And we can see that right now the security system is disarmed and the front door is unlocked. So I'm gonna go back to our scenes and trigger our test scene here. We want it to become away and then lock everything else. So let's go to our home. And you'll notice that we have the system arming and the front door locking. So as you can see, you can create and customize your scenes to be exactly the way you want them for your particular use case for your home. So very cool stuff. All right, so let's go over to our security system here. This is where you can arm and disarm the panel or mark it into different modes. You can also see what sensors are available. Everybody's house is going to be different. Everyone will have different sensors labeled in different locations. And that's something you can customize. If you have more windows on your first floor than someone else, then you'll probably have more sensors here listed. If you have more doors, for example, and windows, you'll have them listed. And obviously any motion sensors that go along with that. So this is where, again, you'll arm and disarm your system. So we can check that out. All right. So let's go to locks. I really love smart locks because this is kind of that peace of mind thing along with the cameras. Anything that's related to security, that's a huge thing, right? Being able to know that your doors are locked, and you can see around your home, especially if you're not there or you're going away, for example, huge benefit. So here you can see your locks. You can tap on them, lock or unlock them. So let's go ahead and unlock the front door just so you can give you a demo there. Boom, now your front door is unlocked. Very cool. All right, we'll go down to garage doors. Same thing, close and open. Nothing fancy there. Your doorbell camera, Okay, load it there. Very cool. You can actually talk from here. You can also take action. So let's say, for example, you have somebody come up to your front door and it's a family member and you need to give them access to your garage, for example, because you left a package in there for them, but you're not home. You can actually take actions right from the doorbell and even open your garage, for example, from here. Very cool, very convenient. A lot of apps do not offer the same functionality, so something to consider. All right, we'll go down to video just to give you again an overview. Again, these are saved kind of demo videos. You tap on them, we can load them up here so you can see just a very clean view. And on the phone, it will show up vertically, obviously, but very clean view of everything that's kind of going on in your cameras. Then we have our lights. Lighting, I think, is one of the most underrated things that people don't incorporate into their home in terms of a technology. So lighting really does create and change everything when it comes to how you experience your home, the vibe of your home. Totally different experience when you are able to change the dimness, the color temperature, the color completely. In my home, I love having, different colors. If I'm going to watch the Eagles game, I can make Philadelphia Eagles, Philadelphia, right? We can put all the lights green during game time. I can set a scene or set a particular rule, a smart home automation rule with a voice assistant to turn all the lights a certain color or turn them off or turn them on. So very, very cool and convenient. Being able to do that. These are switches, and then you have some dimmable bulbs that you can, change the brightness levels. So very cool. And then we have our thermostats. In this particular example, we have 2 thermostats. If you have multiple zones in your home, you might have 2 thermostats, and you can control those from here as well. Everything that you would expect from the modes to the temperatures and any schedules that you want to have for, maybe you're on a specific schedule during the day and you wanted to have it come on at certain days or night, certain temperatures. You can completely manage that schedule from here, where you have different times, right? So at this time of night, I want it to go down to 77. This time during the day, I want it to be 75. You can increase it. So you can pick and choose how you want that to go, which is, I think, super awesome, right? Particularly with the heat schedule as well. In the winter time, you can schedule this as well. So very cool stuff. And then last but not least, we have your basic account settings. We are on a demo account, so that's going to act a little funny, but on your custom account, you'll have all your custom account information there, your reports for your thermostat, any users that you want to add. So if you want to have, multiple people with different user access levels, you can do that as well. You have your login information, any app settings. One of the things here with app settings I wanted to show you is Siri Shortcuts. So a lot of people don't know that Siri Shortcuts is a way to add in Siri commands into applications that necessarily don't completely integrate with Siri. It's a special application you can download on your phone. It's free, and it allows you to create shortcuts that you can use Siri for in order to trigger certain automations. And so, in this example, you can basically have these shortcuts to trigger disarm the system. You're seeing that we just added here, right? We have this test scene. And then, view cameras, change lights, locks, all that kind of cool stuff. So it really allows you to integrate with iOS and use Siri to manage your smart home. So, all right, that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much a general overview. Obviously, we can get into the nitty gritty of creating a lot more of these sequences. But I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how to control your home remotely from your mobile device.